Hello friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine, watching my videos. Friends, today I am going to make Ruhu Fish Curry. I hope you all will like it. So, I will show you some ingredients now, and while making the Ruhu Fish Curry, the rest of the ingredients, then I will show. Friends, my rice is cooking. I have taken 1.5 kilo Ruhu fish. It's cut up, washed out, and the masalas which I am going to use is garlic, mustard, dhania, jeera, dry red chilies. And today I am going to put potatoes also in the Ruhu fish curry. While making the recipe, I will show you the other ingredients. So come on, let us start. Friends, now I will fry the fish. First I will put salt, some turmeric powder, put some chili powder and mix the fish along with it. I have mixed up the salt, turmeric powder and some chili powder with the fish. Now I will fry the fish. Friends, to fry the fish, I will use some mustard oil. Friends, the oil is turned hot. Now I will fry the fish. Friends, this way I will fry all the fish. Friends, the fish is fried. Now I'll fry the potatoes. I have fried all the fish. Friends, the potato is fried up. Now I will take it out. Now in the same oil, I will put some more mustard oil. Friends, I've taken 5 foran. This I will put in. I've taken 2 dry red chilies. This also I will put in. And the masala which I have showed, I made it into a paste. This now I will put in. Put some turmeric powder, put in the salt and let the masala fry. I will not put red chili powder because I have ground the dried chilies and put it in. Friends, the masala has turned brown. Masala's turned brown. Now I will put in the potatoes, the fried potatoes. Now I will add some water. I will let the potatoes cook. So I will cover it up now. Friends, now I will put in the fish. Potatoes are cooked up. Put in the tomatoes. Put in the dhania patti. I will let the fish bubble little bit, at least for 2 minutes, and then take down the curry. Friends, my Ruhu fish curry is ready. Thank you for watching my video.